Hello friend, how are you? I hope that you are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and spending time with me today. It means the absolute world. As you guys can see, my sink is overflowing with dishes. Sometimes I just get a little lazy and say, I'll do it later or I'll do it tomorrow. And that was the case with this. Sometimes I just hit that wall and I shut down, and that's okay. We're going to get it done either way. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. So if you guys also have a sink full of dishes or laundry baskets all over the house, whatever it may be, I'm here to help get you motivated and just let you know that you're not alone. It happens to the best of us. Throughout this video, you're going to notice that I have my phone set up, either propped up somewhere or on a tripod. I'm going to be giving it a shot, posting more short form content on multiple platforms, mostly here on YouTube and over on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me over there. I'll put my handle here on the screen. But as I'm filming here for my YouTube videos, I figure why not kill two birds with one stone and go ahead and prop up my phone so I can get some clips and I can put them into little shorts and more short form content for you all, in case you don't have time to sit down and watch let's say like a 20-minute video. You just want to put on something and get motivated. I'm going to do my best to start doing that. I'm always late to the game with this stuff, but I'm going to do my best. And it's a new year. I have new goals and I want to go ahead and really push myself this year, get out of my comfort zone. So if you guys see me doing that in the background, I'm taking you all along for the ride with me. If you have any great tips and tricks for cleaning your Dutch oven, please drop them down below in the comments. I let it soak. I've used different cleaning products. I've put in a whole lot of scrubbing and elbow grease, and I just can't seem to get this thing cleaned up like new. So let me know if you guys have any tips or tricks that I can use on this Dutch oven. I would be forever grateful.
Search and pray. Sweet talking dirty on the floor. Look like an honest copy paste. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero.
Anytime I have dishes sit in the sink overnight, I love to give it a nice good scrub. So I'm turning the water on nice and hot and using a lot of soap and just go to town on this thing. Give it a really good scrub, getting down into the drain and all the corners and just giving it some extra attention. I hate when food sits in the sink. I want to make sure this doesn't build up any type of stains or smells or anything like that. So I do love to scrub the sink a few times a week, but especially if dishes were sitting in there overnight.
Don't get offended, baby. It's just a self-reviving thrift. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero. Thinking of taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better.
It feels really nice to have that all caught up and have no dishes in the sink. It's just such a good feeling. I hate the overwhelming feeling when I know that I have dishes piled up and laundry piled up. I could have a lot of other things going on, but if I'm caught up with that and I feel like I'm somewhat keeping up with things around the house, it's just a lot more stress that I have to carry around, because I feel like day-to-day things can just really add up, and anything I can take off my plate is especially helpful. So since I caught up on that, I love to run laundry in the background. I feel like I'm able to multitask and do multiple things at once this way. And then it's almost like a reward when laundry's done. I love to put on a show or a movie and then fold the laundry, and it's almost like a little treat, but I'm still being productive. I caught this moment. The boys were playing chess. Ruger was going up and playing with everybody. He is just the darn cutest. I love to put him in my videos and give him little highlights. But I just caught that little moment. The boys are playing checkers. We are a homeschool family and we were done with school for the day and they can't have electronics yet. So they asked if they could play chess and checkers. And I said, of course. So that's what they're doing while I'm running around doing my chores in the background. I've been trying to share a lot more of that behind the scenes stuff with you guys because these videos can make it look like, you know, we have nothing else going on and we're just able to clean without any interruptions. And that is just not the case. My kids are in the background. My family's in the background. A lot of times I have to start and stop what I'm doing and I get interrupted and I sometimes have to pick it up the next day, and that's okay. So I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. You know, not all this gets done in a day, and that's okay. You could always do it at a later time. Every little bit that you get done, even if it's just 1 or 2 things, it could really add up, and that's just, you know, a couple less things off your plate that day, and it can just help, you know, your overall mood and being more patient with your family and stuff like that. And we're all just doing the best that we can at the end of the day. I hate the camera doesn't always pick it up. I do my best to get up close shots like when I can, but this fridge had like stuck food to it and fingerprints and stickiness and a lot of things going on, and I needed to just take the time and wipe it down. I love the Wyman stainless steel spray and even their countertop spray. I just really like that line. I feel like it does a really good job, and you can get it anywhere, but I love that you can even find it at like TJ Maxx and Home Goods for just a few dollars. So I just did a nice extra heavy coat on here, and I'm going over it with a microfiber cloth, and we're just gonna give it a really good wipe down because this poor fridge gets so neglected. I actually, in an upcoming video, want to go through my fridge. I'm trying to be better about that this year. That and my pantry. That way it just doesn't get too overwhelming and then it just gets to be a bigger job than it should. And then I don't want to take it on at all. So I'm just trying to get into these spaces a little bit more often so it doesn't get as overwhelming. Since taking down Christmas, I feel like we're getting organized and just back into a normal routine and getting everything put back where it belongs. I feel like the whole house kind of gets shifted and things, you know, you put out your decorations and you take stuff down. That way you could put other stuff out. And I'm slowly kind of getting back to square one and it feels really nice. Like I love this little fruit basket that hangs. It's like a macrame style and it's just so cute. I got it on Amazon. If you guys ever want links, let me know and I will try and get those for you. But I love this and I took it down because I had decorations in here for Christmas and I didn't have room for it. And now I'm able to bring out all of my regular decor again, and I feel like I'm getting excited about it for a second time because I haven't seen it in so long. This is finally the time I've been talking about getting these pendant lights hung. I was really hoping to have them in my last video, but it just didn't work out. My husband's schedule gets really crazy, and over the weekend I was able to steal him away and he hung my new lights. I just absolutely love these. They were $20 each on Amazon and they're so beautiful and they just complement the kitchen so well. I wanted to show you guys everything is put away and clean and it feels so nice. And I have my pendant lights and then we redid my entryway. I'm actually going to show you guys a quick little haul from Ross. I just got home from Ross. I wanted to show you guys a few goodies that I picked up. I was going to try this in the entryway and see how I liked the colors there. It was literally $5.99, so if not there, I'll find somewhere to put it. I have a lot of different places I can give it a shot. I have Ruger right here if you hear him grunting and stuff, but I thought it was really pretty. I liked the colors that they put together on this, and like I said, for $6 you really can't beat it. So I went ahead and grabbed that. Might as well show you guys this basket. I'm actually going to put this in Colton's room and I'm going to take his laundry basket for my room. Here is the detailing. This was $19.99. The other two home items I got is this cute little bee. I figured just as like decorative purposes, I can maybe put it on a book on the coffee table. And then I also got this reed diffuser in the fragrance Fresh Linen. This was $5.99 and this was $6.99. So those are my little Ross finds. Thought I would share. I love going to Ross and finding some amazing deals. Now this rug, I'm laying it out a couple different ways. I actually ended up moving it back to the first way that I had it lengthwise. And I was just kind of fiddling with it to see how I wanted to fit it into that space. So I was kind of playing with it, but I ended up switching it back to the first way that I had it. And like I said, for $6, if I only use it for a little bit and that's it, I'm going to feel like I got my money's worth. So it definitely works for now because it was actually pouring rain this day, thunder, lightning. I need to get something in that entryway. So that way, you know, the water and mud or anything wasn't getting tracked into the house. So it actually worked out really nicely. But I will still be on the hunt for maybe something else to put there. I wish it was slightly bigger, if I'm being honest, but like I said, for $5.99, like you really can't beat that. And given it is winter, I need something for the space. So I went ahead and grabbed it. We're upstairs in Colton's room now, and this is his current laundry basket that I'm swapping out. And I'm going to take it for my room, which you guys are going to see what mine is. It's just old, it's wiggly, it's falling apart, and honestly this other one was too big for him. He had a really hard time bringing it downstairs when it was time for me to do his laundry. So I got him something a little smaller, and it can't get as heavy as his other one, and he can just bring it up and down the stairs a little bit easier. And then obviously my husband and I are two people, so it makes sense to have the bigger one for us. And it's just way more aesthetically pleasing than the other one. It was just falling apart. It did its job, and we're ready to move on. The reed diffuser, we're back downstairs. I end up putting this in the bathroom, and you guys, this thing is so classy and it smells so good. I can actually smell it all over my downstairs, and I just love the look of a reed diffuser and highly recommend this fragrance. If you guys find this at your Ross, definitely pick it up. It smells really good, and it is so pretty. It was actually pouring rain in this clip, so you're going to see Colton come in with the umbrella. My boys are in charge of taking out the trash cans, and this was the day before trash day, so they just got done putting those out on the street, and then I told Colton to help me disassemble this laundry basket. There's just no way of saving it. It's just too far gone. So I'm going to break it down a little bit so we can get it in the trash can, and then it can go out the next day for trash day. So Colton was so sweet, and he was helping me. And then when I went outside, he was holding the umbrella for me. It was so stinking cute. But we got that all done. That was on my to-do list for a while, and it feels good to finally have that done. And now we are warm and dry and back in the house. And it's time to spend just a couple minutes tidying up in here. I'm not doing a whole lot. I definitely want to hang out and veg out in here. I actually filmed and edited this video all in one day because there wasn't a whole lot to do outside because of the storm. So we just kind of laid low in the house. And I was able to get a lot of work done, but I like working in a tidy, picked up space. So I'm just kind of trying to set the tone in here. This evening ended up being so cozy. I wish I would have put clips in, but I had the fireplace going later this night and had candles lit. It smelled nice. Everything was clean and picked up. And it just made for a nice space to hang out in. But look how stinking cute this dog is, you guys. He is almost 12 and he just gets more spoiled every single day. So laid out his blankie for him, and now he's just going to hang out on the couch, and I'm going to go ahead and run my robot vacuum, and I'm going to keep some of the clips in here because Ruger was so cute in them. I didn't want to delete them, and then like my son popped in and out, and it's just cute to see them interact together. But I love running my robot vacuum, and I can just keep doing things in the background, or heck, even kick up my feet and let that robot do the work. I also had it mop for me, so I didn't have to do my floors this day, which was an extra bonus. Look at this guy. Are you spoiled? What are you doing to that poor little toy, Ruger? What are you doing to it? Can I see it? This poor toy. Ruger. Oh, jeez. This thing is so cute, too. You're killing it. I give this thing 2 minutes before there's fluff everywhere. Ruger, you're so mean to your toys. I wanted to ask you guys, what would you like to see in an upcoming video? I'm taking video requests right now. I want to make sure I'm motivating you guys. Is there any areas in the house you want me to tackle or share? I've been kind of making my way around the whole house, but if there's something you guys want to see, I'm happy to do that for you. So just comment down below and I'll see what I can do to make that happen for you all. Ruger, what are you doing to the vacuum? Huh? Here it comes. Ruger! Oh my goodness, the chaos. Look at it's going around Ruger. Oh my goodness. You guys are crazy.
Hey, one big for the vacuum.
That is gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. It's actually getting into the evening. It's raining outside. I think I just want to get cozied in. I know today was just like a really simple video, but those are the videos that I've been craving. Just super relatable content that we're just doing things that need to get done. There's no checklist, no schedule. We're just getting it done. The things that are cluttering our minds the most, get up and get that done. And that's what I did today. So the boys are down here, and like I said, we're just gonna cozy in for the night. I have so many ideas for upcoming videos, so make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like this video, it helps me out a ton as a small creator, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.